Okay, you guys, we are back, and I got the glue, and I got the squishy red glue. So we're gonna put this on the bad boy, and okay. This seems so dangerous, y'all. Try to be careful, so there. Look, this is what I mean, y'all. This is what I mean. This is literally what I mean, because it could literally get stuck on you. Meow. Time to glue it. Oh my god. We made it, you guys, but hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Because this is Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue does not fall apart. Well, y'all, what? This is the reason why. Y'all, kids, if you guys are watching this, do not use this. Yeah, and it just hurt my grubs. We did it. I'm gonna go make Mario, but I'm not gonna put it on camera. Anyways, you guys, bye. Thanks for watching. And make sure to like and subscribe so I can post more. Thanks for watching my videos, queens. Bye.